Another big part of my shop space is storage. It's one of the things that keeps me organized and keeps things from piling up. So starting out, I have my plywood rack here, and it's on casters, and it's a pivot point, and so it swings out so I can load material from the end. So I've got long sheets on the back end, and then once I load materials, I can just easily push it back out of the way. It gives me all my floor space back. Then I have lumber storage here. These are on some heavy-duty steel brackets that you can buy at pretty much any hardware store. They have a really high weight capacity. Try to keep the lumber organized generally by species, but as you can see, it's a mishmash, but it's easily accessible. And then just general storage. This is a cabinet that I actually salvaged from our old high school. Came out of a chemistry lab, and it's just really nicely made, really high quality plywood, and it really has been a great addition to my shop. I didn't really realize how little cabinet space that I had, and I had boxes on the floor still from a couple years ago when I moved in. Clank bracket storage, kind of in a centralized area in the corner. Some simple brackets that help keep those organized. And then this is some stock cabinets that I bought at Home Depot, and I keep some overflow sanding materials there. And then this is a storage unit that I've had for a lot of years. It's seen better days, but it really works for what I need. I've got my saw blade storage that I just connect to some pegboard, a couple slide out full extension drawers. This is where I keep sanding equipment, my extra sanding discs, things like that. And then, my blue drawer. This is my Craig accessories. This is my hardware drawer. As I mentioned in one of the other videos, I don't ever throw hardware out. Sometimes I need enough material that you kind of buy it in bulk, and then before you know it, the stuff just accumulates. This is a really old piece that I found at an auction has been really handy for organizing that type of storage. And then this is a very messy, kind of traditional mechanics cabinet. Again, roll around, as is the hardware cabinet. Those are generally some of the storage solutions I have. Again, from purchased, like the white cabinets, built like the tower with my saw blades, to salvaged. Every little bit helps, and it's always changing for me. Like I mentioned, add one piece and then it's kind of transformative.